Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. This is our first video on our newly proposed YouTube channel under title Particle Physics by Rana Abdul Wahid Khan. Okay. In this video we will just introduce books to be followed for the purpose of learning this course of physics. Okay, dear students, some of these books are of foundation level, in which only concerned topics will be included, concerned chapters will be included, while remaining major courses subject specific books are completely within the range of the course under discussion. Okay, so particle physics, first we come towards the foundation level contents. That is, contents means chapters. Contents mean portion of book applicable to this course. Okay, so particle physics foundation level contents, that is foundation level chapters. These are several books. We enumerate these books one by one. It is further explained, dear students, that at this time only I can see these contents on my computer screen, but at the time of uploading this video on YouTube, I shall also copy paste these contents on YouTube. Okay, dear students, while uploading a video on YouTube mechanism allows you to enter up to 5,000 characters regarding the introduction of video. Okay, while on Dailymotion this limit reduces from 5,000 characters to 3,000 characters. Okay, so at this time only I can see these contents on my computer screen, but at the time of uploading this video I shall also copy paste these contents on YouTube, and you will be able to access these contents at the time of playing this video. Okay, because at the time of playing you will have the option to view the introduction provided on YouTube about this video, in which one or two lines will be written and then see more will be written. When you will click see more, then entire detail will appear and you can be able to easily read all these contents. Okay, so now we come towards these contents. Particle physics foundation level contents, that is chapters. Fundamentals of Physics Extended Holiday and Resnick, Journal Walker, publisher is Wiley. Its 10th edition 2014 or 11th edition 2018 will be followed. Its chapter number 44 will be followed, will be utilized. Okay, then other book, next book is Sears and Zemanski's University Physics with Modern Physics. Hugh D. Young, Roger A. Friedman, A. Lewis Ford, Pearson. Its 4th edition 2016 or 15th edition 2020 will be followed. Its chapter number 44 is the concerned chapter. Okay, Next book is Physics for Scientists and Engineers with Modern Physics. Raymond A. Survey, John W. Jute Jr. Its publisher is Cengage. Its 9th edition 2014 and 10th edition 2019 will be followed. Its concerned chapter is chapter number 46. Next book is Physics for Scientists and Engineers with Modern Physics. Douglas C. Gyankoli. Its publisher is Pearson. Its 4th edition 2009 or 5th edition 2021 will be followed. Its concerned chapter is chapter number 43. Next book is Modern Physics by Kenneth S. Crane. Its publisher is Wiley. Its 3rd edition 2012 or 4th edition 2020 will be observed. Its concerned chapter is chapter number 14. Next book is Modern Physics for Scientists and Engineers. Stephen T. Thornton, Andrew Rex, Carol E. Hood. Its publisher is Cengage. Its 4th edition 2013 or 5th edition 2021 will be followed. Its concerned chapter is chapter number 14. Next book is Concepts of Modern Physics by Arthur Weiser. Its publisher is McGraw-Hill. Its 6th edition 2003 or 7th edition 2015 will be followed. Its concerned chapter is chapter number 13. Next book is Modern Physics by Paul A. Tipler, Ralph A. Llewellyn. Pronunciation is not very much important. It is slightly, it is very unusual name for us. Okay. Then W.H. Freeman. Either W.H. Freeman is a co-author of this book or W.H. Freeman is the publisher. Okay. It is not very much clear at this time. Okay. Its 5th edition 2008 or 6th edition 2012 will be followed. Its concerned chapter is chapter number 12. Next book is Modern Physics by Raymond A. Survey, Clement J. Moses, Kurt A. Moyer. Its publisher is Thomson. Its 3rd edition 2005 will be observed. Its concerned chapter is chapter number 15. Next book is Ahmad A. Kamal, 1000 Solved Problems in Modern Physics. Publisher is Springer and this edition is a 2010 edition. Okay. Concerned chapters are chapter number 9 and 10. Now we come towards major course books, subject specific books, that is books recommended. Okay. First book is Introduction to Elementary Particles, David Griffiths. Second revised edition 2008. Next book is A Modern Introduction to Particle Physics by authors are Fiazuddin and Riazuddin. Publisher is World Scientific. Its 2nd edition 2000 will be followed. Next book is Collider Physics Updated Edition, Vernon D. Barger, Roger J. N. Phillips. Okay, these are authors and its publisher is Edison Wesley and this edition is 1997 edition. Okay. Next book is Quarks and Leptons, an introductory course in modern particle physics. Authors are Frankis Helzen, Alan D. Martin. Publisher is John Wiley and edition is of 1984. Next book is Introduction to High Energy Physics. Authors are Donald H. Perkins. Publisher is Cambridge University Press and this is 4th edition 2000. Okay. Next book is Particles and Nuclei, an introduction to the physical concepts. Dear students, its authors' names are very unusual. They are very difficult to pronounce. However, I pronounce as I can. A mistake is quite probable. Okay, Bogdan, Pov, Klaas, Rith, Christoph, Scholz, Frank Zetshi. Okay, Springer publisher, and this is 6th edition 2008. Next book is Nuclear and Particle Physics. Authors are W.E. Burcham. Okay, next co-author is M. Jobs. Publisher is Longman, and this edition is of 1995. Next book is Foundations of Nuclear and Particle Physics. Authors are T. William Donnelly, Joseph A. Farmaggio, Barry R. Holstein, Bernd Sarro, Richard G. Milner. Publisher is Cambridge University Press, and edition is of 2017. Next book is Nuclear and Particle Physics, an Introduction. Brian R. Martin. Publisher is Wiley, and this is 2006 edition. Okay. Next book is Nuclear and Particle Physics. Author is W.S.C. Williams. Publisher is Oxford University Press, and edition is 1993. Next book is Introduction to Nuclear and Particle Physics. Authors are A. Das, T. Farbel. Publisher is World Scientific, and its second edition 2003 will be observed. And this is the end of our module. Okay.